Whether you're cleaning mirrors, sneeze barriers, windows, display cases, or other glass surfaces, follow these simple steps to get a streak-free shine every time. First, assemble everything needed for the job. A properly labeled trigger sprayer bottle, 2 microfiber cloths, and any applicable PPE, such as eye protection. Begin by filling the quart trigger sprayer bottle with Ecolution Pro glass cleaner from a 1-solution chemical dilution system. Then, using the trigger sprayer bottle, spray the entire glass surface with Ecolution Pro glass cleaner. Using a microfiber cloth, start at the top of the glass and wipe in one direction. Make sure to wipe the entire surface and remove all of the cleaner from the glass. Ecolution Pro glass cleaner must be completely wiped off. If it is left to evaporate, it will streak. Next, take a dry microfiber cloth and buff the window to give the glass a nice streak-free finish.